To set up Axiom with Nova, you will first need to create an Axiom Pro account. Upon signing up, you can receive a discount on all trading fees. Next, open a new tab and navigate to the click.trade on nova.io link. Then click Download for Chrome and add the extension. After adding the extension, close the Chrome Web Store tab, and you will see the option to connect Telegram. Clicking on this will sign you into Nova inside Telegram, although you may be placed on a waitlist for a few hours or days. However, using a referral link can grant instant access and skip the waitlist, as well as provide bonuses and discounts on trading fees. Once you have access, click on the link provided, and you can choose to start the bot. If you have the Telegram app on your computer, you can use the web version by clicking Open in Web. After launching Nova, you will see a success message, and you can then press Got it and close the window. Hover over the menu button. Click on Menu, then Settings, and ensure Use Panel Settings is enabled. After completing these steps, you can close the settings and return to Axiom. In Axiom, click on the puzzle icon at the top right, find the Nova extension, and pin it for easier access. Enable the extension by clicking on it, and you can then set your preset amounts and save them as desired. The screen will refresh, and you can navigate to any coin and see the Nova panel, which you can use to buy and sell. If the panel is not visible, you can click on Nova and enable the Nova panel, which will then appear on your screen. This setup process allows you to switch between presets and use the Nova panel for trading.